Vanakkam Namaste Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I have the OnePlus 80 on my hands guys, hell yeah. Now I'm going to unbox this. Alright, so let's get started. I've already set up my device guys. So let's take it out. Here we have the device guys. Before we look into the device guys, let's check about the contents inside the box. Okay, let's keep our device aside. And in the box here we have the never settle engraving. Let's take this. And inside we have a transparent never settle case guys. It's slightly written over in the side. And at this time they are giving us a type C to C cable guys. This is type C to C port cable. And it comes with a warp charge 65 adapter. This is the fastest charging ever guys. Alright. Now let's keep this box aside guys and everything. And inside we have some paperwork guys. And SIM ejector and warranty card and everything. Let's just skip this. And let's take the device guys. Wow, just look at the color guys. This is the aquamarine blue variant guys. Okay, let's put this case as well. I've already set my fingerprint and face data and everything guys. Look at the display guys. Okay, now let's go into the specs. Sorry guys, my hands are a little sweaty. It comes with a Snapdragon 865 processor, 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB of storage. The camera is 48 plus 16 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel quad camera guys. It has 4 camera and screen is 120Hz fluid AMOLED 6.55 inch with Android 11 etc. And the GPU is Adreno 650 guys, which is the flagship GPU. And the display is, to be honest, this display is super smooth guys. Let me show you. Look at the smoothness guys. We can change it to 60 Hz as well guys. And next let's look at the camera guys. I have some sample shots over here. This is the front camera guys, which is 16 megapixel. And this is the back camera. And this is the depth lens guys. Wait a minute. I hope you can see it perfectly guys. This clarity is amazing guys. Look at the reflection and everything and the 80 color pop-ups. I've also been using some couple of OnePlus devices recently, such as OnePlus 5T, which is my previous smartphone. This is the OnePlus 5T guys, and this is the OnePlus 8T. and I have skipped many devices in between, guys, such as the OnePlus 6, OnePlus 60, OnePlus 7, OnePlus 70, 70 Pro, 7 Pro, and 8 Pro, and finally I got the 8T, guys. I got this OnePlus 5T for I think 38,000 rupees, and this one is 46,000 rupees. If I am paying extra for some good value and money, I will definitely go for that, guys. It's absolutely awesome and worth it, guys. And let's talk about the performance and everything, guys. To be honest, I have been using this phone for almost one day, and I have been completely mind blown, guys. This kind of experience granted from the OnePlus, it's absolutely awesome. The main difference between this and 8 Pro is it has 8 Pro has the wireless charging, guys, and this doesn't, but that's okay. And it's not curved display, this is a flat one, and 8 Pro has curved one. That's not a major reason here, guys. The main reason why I bought this mobile is for the camera, guys. If for the YouTube and stuff, you will see some of my videos in 4K and 60 FPS, guys. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I was going to buy the OnePlus 8T Pro, guys, but 8T Pro is not coming this year. So I thought maybe let's go with the 8T itself. And the front camera is 16 megapixel, guys. And let's talk about the battery, guys. The battery is 4500 milliamps. Actually, this phone contains two battery, guys. Dual battery, which is 2250 of each. And the fast charging is 65 watts, guys. It's insane, guys. It's insane speed. You will almost get the charge half day power within 15 minutes. That's great, guys. And this OnePlus 8T has two variants, guys. This one is aquamarine blue, and the another one is frosted silver, guys, or lunar silver, I think. And one is 128 GB, guys, and another one is 256 GB. And the pricing is for the 256, that's 46,000 rupees, which is $700. And the 128 GB variant is 43,000, which is $600, guys. Look how fast is it, guys. The face unlock and fingerprint, it's epic, guys. I think you should go for this phone, guys. If you are looking for a value for money flagship, this is definitely worth it, guys. I've already made up my mind. This is one of the greatest phone I've ever used in my life. Camera, look at the video quality itself, guys. See how clear it is, the stabilization and everything. I hope you can notice this, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. You all know that's the secret to long life.